Hi, Mom and Dad. This is my boyfriend, Delroy.
Hey, what you say, Papa? Good? That way I say. Alright, I like this, my dog. What is Gucci?
Sit.
Alright, easy yourself, my dog. Yes, Papa. What you say, brother? I like them look at handkerchief something, the dog. Nice. What is silk?
What country are you from?
Oh, from yard.
What is yard?
Yeah, don't come from yard. What do you mean?
What yard? Front yard? Backyard? What yard?
Oh, sorry, Jamaica.
Oh, Jamaica, सुनिया ना होते Caribbean च.
Ah.
हाँ, Caribbean च रहता हूँ ना.
What do you do for work?
Oh, scammer.
Scammer कोई काम होता है?
Scammer.
No, he scans things like at a company, at a pharmaceutical company. He has a big
अच्छा.
pharmaceutical
Stationery?
drugs to take. No,
Like a doctor, a doctor.
No, not a doctor, but he works at a pharmaceutical company.
Not a doctor.
To school and get like he's gonna get it from.
What is going on with your clothes? Like it's half on, half
Man, a
off.
style, you know, dog. You know, man, you know, me pay a Gucci this, you know. How much money me pay for
Daddy's
this?
willing to try new things. He said he really likes Indian clothes too. So you want to get married? Yes.
What?
Marriage.
Achoo! No, I'm allergic to them something, dog. No.
No, we do want to get married, Dad. We've been together for some time and we've thought about it.
Yeah, I
That's
know.
why he's here to meet you today.
Yeah, after my breeder, maybe about, you know,
Breeding what?
Right.
She's not an animal.
Well,
5 to 8 around them something, you know. Yeah.
First, you have to get married, and then you can have children. And not right now, you're
You
talking
know,
about marriage first.
I haven't
Marriage.
had my chai. Do you want some tea?
What kind of tea?
Yeah, tea.
I
He loves tea.
Yeah, I
He
love
loves
tea.
tea.
Yeah, but, yo,
All kinds of tea.
every
Chai.
morning,
What kind of
Get
tea
some
do you
chai.
drink?
Get some chai.
peppermint me I drink, brother. Only peppermint.
Peppermint?
I told you about it, honey, so many times. You've even tried it.
We only drink chai here, okay?
Something tastes like bottled water. Me no, Go to water that. Me not drink them someday. Well, it
Dad, he's tried it and he said he liked it one time. Remember that one time we tried it? Don't
yeah, me vomit. It don't taste so good. Easy no, brother.